Yo, what is going on YouTube? So many of you have been messaging me asking me how to get all 28 cap breakers in NBA 2K26. So I spent probably a couple of days, around 36 hours or more, trying to find a way on how to get cap breakers in NBA 2K26. I watched all of the YouTube tutorials, I read through all of the guides that I could find on Google, and there are actually 28 cap breakers, but most people don't even know how to get at least like 20 of them. But I've managed to find an NBA 2K26 cap breakers locker code. So this is a locker code you can redeem in game, and it is going to supply you all 28 cap breakers for free. So what you're going to want to do is basically just use your mobile phone to get this locker code. I tried it on my desktop as well, but it was so much easier on my mobile. So basically, guys, just use whatever phone you have with an internet connection and go to this website, www.crashcoupons.com. So it is very important you go directly to Crash Coupons, and let's press go. Oops, not back. There you go. And what it's going to do is going to bring you to a game code website. Now what you need to do is use the search bar just to navigate your way to the NBA 2K26 locker codes page. Now there are 4 different codes on this page, guys. So what you need to do essentially is scroll down and look for the cap breakers code. So get all cap breakers for free in NBA 2K26. Now that is 28 of them. So that's every single available cap breaker. And this method takes about 5 minutes to get to your locker code. They are limited codes. There's 784 at the minute. So what you need to do, guys, I already done this, but you need to unlock your code. So the full locker code will be hidden, so it's sort of like blurred out so you can't get it easily. And the reason they do this, it basically stops people stealing all of these codes for unlimited cap breakers. You can only do this once for 28. So to get your 2K26 locker code, you need to click on this button, and then you're going to be brought to a new screen, and it basically gives you a set of instructions telling you what you need to do to get your code. So you need to complete 2 of the free tasks below. And once you complete 2 of them, it's going to get you your code from Crash Coupons. So on this page, you're going to have a list of tasks. They are completely free. You need to choose 2 of them, making sure you read the text below each one. And they're going to be easy tasks like installing and opening mobile apps, guys. Just follow the instructions. Once you complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. Like I said, I did this earlier. And basically, if you complete 2 of those tasks, your code will be unlocked in this box. You redeem it in the NBA 2K26 locker code page, and that is going to give you all 28 cap breakers fast and for free. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you do search for the 2K26 locker codes page, guys, and just select the cap breakers code. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.